One night, a lady named Daisy woke up without her partner named Edgar beside her. Daisy left the room to find him, but she saw the wall clock stating it was already 8 in the evening. So she abandons the task of finding him because she must be in the work already. Daisy goes to the kitchen to find the food on the fridge, and she found a cake.
Wow!
She thought that the cake must be a present to her given by Edgar, so she took a slice of it and ate it. At first, she doesn't like the taste, but it appears to taste even better when the flavor lasts. While eating the cake, she heard a loud siren approaching her house, and a few moments later, someone knocks at the door. Daisy opens the door to find the police standing in front of her doorstep. The police experience mixed emotion when seeing her curious, worried, and disgusted. Daisy was getting curious what was the police reason for visit. So the police asked her, "What are you doing?" "I am eating cake. Why do you ask?" And so she looks at her hands. Daisy saw a fair bit of blood around her hands. And when Daisy looked in the mirror, she saw in her body that she was really bloody. The police were holding a piece of paper that has a picture of Edgar with a sign of missing. Daisy realized something and quickly looked back to the kitchen to find the cake that she ate was the dead body of her partner, Edgar.
Oh, tiptoe through the window, by the window, that is where I'll be. Come tiptoe through the tulips with